Welcome back to my video series working through the SonicPy tutorial. In this video, section 8.5, ring chains. Ring chains. In addition to the constructors such as range and spread, another way of creating new rings is to manipulate existing rings. To example, take a simple ring 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What if we wanted it backwards? Well, we'd use the chain command .reverse to take the ring and turn it around. So that ring 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 .reverse becomes ring 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Now what if we wanted the first three values from the ring? Take the same ring, .take 3, goes to ring 10, 20, 30. Finally, what if we wanted to shuffle the ring? Ring such and such .shuffle goes to ring 40, 30, 10, 50, 20. Multiple chains. This is already a powerful way of creating new rings. However, the real power comes when you chain a few of these commands together. How about shuffling the ring, dropping one element and taking the next three? Let's take this in stages. The initial ring, then .shuffle to give a shuffled ring, .drop one to get the ring with the first element missing, .take 3 to take the first three elements there, and then we finally have 30, 10, 50. Can you see how we can just create a long chain of these methods by just sticking them together? We can combine these in any order we want, creating an extremely rich and powerful way of generating new rings from existing ones. Immutability. These rings have a powerful and important property. They are immutable, which means they cannot change. This means that the chaining methods described in this section do not change rings, rather they create new rings. This means you're free to share rings across threads and start chaining them within a thread, knowing you won't be affecting any other thread using the same ring. Available chain methods. Here's a list of the available chain methods for you to play with. .reverse returns a reverse version of the ring. .sort creates a sorted version of the ring. .shuffle creates a shuffled version of the ring. .pick returns a ring with the results of calling .choose once, so .choose is randomized, so it's randomly picking one. .pick 3 returns a ring with the results of calling .choose 3 times. .take 5 returns a new ring containing only the first 5 elements. .drop 3 returns a new ring with everything but the first 3 elements. But last returns a new ring with the last element missing. .drop last 3 returns a new ring with the last 3 elements missing. .take last 6 returns a new ring with only the last 6 elements remaining. .stretch 2 repeats each element in the ring twice. .repeat 3 repeats the entire ring 3 times. .mirror adds the ring to a reverse version of itself. .reflect, same as mirror but doesn't duplicate middle value. And .scale 2 returns a new ring with all elements multiplied by 2, assumes ring contains number only. Oh, scale as in like scaling by multiplying by something. Of course, those chain methods that take numbers can also take other numbers too. So feel free to call .drop 5 instead of .drop 3 if you want to drop the first 5 elements. Okay, that's it for this section. Up next we have live coding. Thanks for watching.